Hi everyone, welcome back to One Pizza Too Many. Now today we're going to talk about controversial pizzas. What do you think? I had a bit of a think and I kept coming back to the same old classic of ham and pineapple. And it's not just any ham or any pineapple. It's the cheapest wafer thin ham you can get from the supermarket and the cheapest tinned pineapple you can get from the supermarket, and that just takes me back to the classic ham and pineapple days of years gone by. And also we're going to use no yeast dough, so it's a really quick no proved dough. And I made the dough earlier on today, and we're just going to dip it in some flour. Now this dough, I've done a video on it using homemade yogurt. Okay, so I'm quickly just going to bring you in closer. We're going to push the pizza out and then we're going to get it going. We've got the flour, we've got the dough, and we're just going to push this dough out into about a 10-inch pizza roughly. Now it is a really warm day, so you see a bit, it's gone a little bit on the edges while we're in between filming. Now this won't puff up like a leavened dough that's had sort of 10-15 hours to prove at room temperature, okay? But as a really quick and thin pizza base, it works really well, and how easy that has just stretched out. Next, we're going to hit it with some homemade tomato sauce. There we go. Next, some homemade mozzarella. Again, there's videos to all of these in the links and description. Don't worry, the baby's next door, it's not mine hiding under the bench. I'd be as surprised as you. Okay. Then some ham. And then the best bit for me, the pineapple. Probably the most evilest bit for some of you. There's probably some that have even switched off. They've not even watched it this far because it's got pineapple on. Then what we're going to do is grab the pizza peel and we're going to hit it like that. We're then going to open the door, but first of all I'm just going to top the pellets up. Just to keep the fire nice and hot. There we go. Right. So let's just open this up. And we have the pizza. So it's really important that you just give it a little shuffle before you launch, just to make sure that it isn't stuck, and then straight off like that. And then we're going to go straight back on with the door to keep the heat in. We'll get the chopping board in place, ready to serve up onto. And you'll see the smoke pluming out the top. And let's have another look. Okay. Now what I would say is, compared to using the Uuni gas oven, it is a little bit more involved, keeping the pellets topped up, keeping the heat in. It's not as well insulated, but I think for the money, this pizza oven is really good. So make sure you visit my video where I go through buying one of these. Let's have another little look. And like I said earlier, we're not going to get the rise in the crust like we did on the previous videos, because this is a quick, no yeast pizza base. I'm just going to tap the pellets down. It does look like we have got a new pope coming in with the smoke signals coming out of the top of this at the minute. And I do believe we've just had a little bit of backdraft, so it was a good job the door was on. Right, let's have a look. It's looking good. And I will notice at this stage, in comparison to the coda, because obviously the coda is a lot quicker, the crust has taken on sort of a bit of a smoky sort of look to it, so whether that'll translate into flavour, we'll soon find out. Just gonna show it the flame. Next door's dog barking at the boiler, and there we have it. Put the door back on just to keep hot. Okay, so the base is, yeah, well cooked, nice and crispy. So I think for a yogurt and flour mixture, that's done pretty well. And this thing isn't bad really for the money. Let me know what you think. UK's most controversial pizza, ham and pineapple, with the cheapest toppings you'll get. Let me know if you think it is the most controversial topping in the comments below. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and like the video, share it with your friends, and most importantly you hit that bell to subscribe, and visit us over on Facebook at One Pizza Too Many for all the in-between action, and also for the competition that's going to be coming up to win an Uuni pizza slice. Just looking for it. There it is. I knew I'd put it somewhere. Okay, the Uuni pizza slice. We're going to be running a competition on this very soon. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and I will see you very soon.
One pizza too many.